Hey, I'm Mindy Kniss. This is the Daily Rage. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq and the S&P futures on a daily time frame because both of them are in this little consolidation situation, which means that they're either going to break out to the high side or break down to the low side. So this one is the S&P and this one is the Nasdaq. Nasty little doji candle on the daily chart today. You can see I finally fixed my trend line. So we are back way above it. The main thing I want to talk to you about today, though, is the trading day that I had earlier today. And I want to see if you've had a trading day like this. So, at first, early in the morning, there was CPI. And right after that, I kind of got caught in the chop. So, I went into the open of the markets already down on the day. Then I ended up with a very significant profit, at least for me. But did I stop there? No. I did not stop there. And what came to my mind was this song, see if it sounds familiar. So if you've ever had a trading day like that, first off, let me know in the comments. Secondly, you're not alone. But more importantly, let's look at why these things happen. A lot of times with my coaching clients, or even if I were to be coaching myself, I'm saying, okay, like what is it that I'm trying to fill within myself by continuing to trade? Do I just want more money? Do I just want to overcome boredom? So I'm continuing to stay in the markets. Is it greed that shows up? Like, what is it? And oftentimes it's something within us that we are feeling like is not enough. Like we don't have enough excitement in our life. So we are looking to trading to get that excitement. Or we are feeling the pinch financially. So we're letting our fear and scarcity mentality, lack mentality drive us into this desperate action. So there are a whole ton of reasons, and it's going to be different for every different person based on what you're currently going through right now, your mindset, et cetera, et cetera. But it is very much something to look at and pay attention to because, as I've been talking about recently, like the markets are not your enemy. The markets are actually our ally and provide us this extraordinary opportunity that we have with today's technology in order to trade. But if you're anything like me, you may have days where it is never enough. So those days are always a great day to spend a little time in your journal and see if you can get what is going on in your head out onto the page so that you can look at it from a fresh perspective. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.